Imagine yourself in this 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.